The Spanish part and the regularization of migrants, of illegal migrants, I mean, we are, of course, aware of the new law which has been decided in Spain, and decisions and policies also altogether to regularize the status of illegally staying third country nationals. That's a responsibility of the member states, of course. And as I mentioned before, there are possibilities, of course, like that's why these things are linked. Yes, we have to distinguish between illegal and legal, but of course they are linked on the other hand as well. And finding solutions for legal pathways is of course also something we have to work on. And but as you know, we have no competence on this matter, so it's all about paving the path for the member states to introduce also legal pathways. We can change the legal basis. Yes, that's what we're doing, and give them opportunities to find agreements also with third countries. Our job is to prevent, well, to do everything to fight against illegal migration. So this is a different topic now. These are people who are already in a EU member state, and then it's of course the member state's competence how they want to react and how they want to do, and how to tackle the legal migration part and the workers, the workforce they need for their countries, and that's what Spain is doing.